pork. Garlic pork is a serious thing on Christmas morning in a lot of families around Trinidad and Tobago. You know how we kind of pick and choose. Trinidad and Tobago is this multicultural, multi-ethnic society that we love. And the Portuguese tradition has come down to a lot of families here in TNT. And some people swear by it, and they must have garlic pork on Christmas morning. If you're one of those, and you don't want to go through buying the pork and putting it in a brine and seasoning the brine and checking the brine, because it had to stay in that brine for at least about a week and a half leading up to Christmas morning, right? You don't want to go through all that. Macfoods, there it is, it's here for you. Macfoods pork, they've done all the work for you. These are kind of ready to go, ready to eat meals. They put it in the brine, they season it, and all you have to do is a hot pot with a little bit of oil. Simple like that. You hear that? That's all you have to do. Give it some time, let it do what it has to do. This show is really about couples. This show, you know, not every family is a big, wide family. Some Christmases are spent with just a small family, just a couple, or a couple and a young child, you know. Christmas means so much different things to different families. And today, I'm bigging up the couples. You get up Christmas morning, you open the gifts, share a little kiss. If the gifts really say something, you know, stay in bed a little longer, do what you do, you know. But when you have to come out now and make breakfast, don't just tell the girl, where the ham, girl? No, don't. Come out, help make the breakfast. Fellas, so if you're doing garlic pork, you get your Macfoods pork and you throw it on the fire and you get it sauteing while she probably warming up the pastels, you know, that kind of vibes. So what I'm doing with this garlic pork, guys, serious talk, eh? Christmas is for couples. That's what this show is about. When you're doing the garlic pork, a nice thing to do is you can do sandwiches. Last time I did some sandwiches with the garlic pork and some nice hops. You can do that as well. But if you're not into the bread, and the couple that I have on the show today, yeah, they're not into bread and things. They're kind of real serious with you know, strict. Just have one or half cheat day. Half the day they could cheat, the rest, 6.5 days, yeah, they just eat serious. So I say no bread. I tell Marilla, don't put no bread on the people's platter, please. She put a little bit of bread. I feel like for me, I would take that bread and eat that bread. Lovely platter. I have some eggs, I have some pastels, some chow chow, nice slices of avocado, salad, tomatoes. And all you do is you add that garlic pork to it, and you have a lovely breakfast platter for Christmas morning. You could drop some ham there if you want as well, you know. Do you on Christmas morning. All that nice toasty bits, that's what you're looking for. So just allow it just to settle, allow it to do its thing. I would say probably between 10 to 12 minutes or so, and you get it all nice and toasty and roasty, and that's what you want. I told you about couples today, and I have a couple that is probably the newest internet sensation. Social media dominates the world, and they have kind of taken over from TikTok to Instagram. They're heading to YouTube now and doing some wonderful content. When Morella introduced them to me, I said, but they kind of us 10, 20 years ago. A miserable couple that seem to adore each other and making good, positive content on the World Wide Web. If you don't know them, please welcome Mr. and Mrs. James.
Thank you for having me.
So this is Kineta.
Hi.
And this is Anil. Have a seat, have a seat.
Mr. Anil.
So guys, allow me just to plate up this lovely garlic pork.
It looks good.
It looks good.
I was wondering how long it take to call you out.
Yeah, you were spending all that behind there and you wanted to... So you know when breakfast happening in the kitchen and everybody are already kind of... The scent just kind of pervades through the whole house and like, was she cooking? Yeah! Was she cooking there? So they are the new internet sensations. Just if you haven't followed them, mainly on Instagram right now, guys.
Instagram
TikTok.
and
TikTok as well.
And now YouTube.
Anil and Kineta
James.
James.
Anil Kineta James.
Anil Kineta James.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes.
Anil Kineta James. Check it out.
Please let me know how much you can. But if you don't love me, let me go the this is one of the original. Everybody come.
Boy! Let me see your lip do that again.
You know, like this is one of the original. Everybody come and follow me. Say, it's like that's a big song, long time, girl.
Oh my
You don't know that song?
goodness. Of course I do, but
Oh.
Anil is your lip boy.
Oh,
Your lip boy.
You know, is it, you like it?
Look.
And then he make my bounce the man in front of me alone, girl.
How did this all come about? I mean, did you guys decided that you all wanted to go on and share your lives? Because you literally share your lives with the world.
And I wasn't really into the whole social media thing. TikTok was off for him, like negative. He found it was a very
Toxic
platform. Instagram, I really tried to dabble in the whole
Instagram too fake.
But that was his problem.
Yeah.
Instagram too fake.
He couldn't take it. So
Yeah.
anytime I'd say, okay, let's take a picture, let's do a little video or something. No,
yeah.
I'm not into that.
Yeah.
So I never forced him, but I tried to just do my basic, take a picture, and then eventually when our son was born, it became him and me on the platform all the time. And then Anna just decided to take up TikTok.
Yeah. Based on what I was telling you before we came on,
Yeah.
the platform was very negative, which was TikTok, and influencer used the platform wrong. So I had to go, I literally came on the platform with some bacchanal to just get under people's skin, to try and educate them about how some businesses run on social media and why they don't put prices and stuff. And it got me to do a full series, educating persons more, and it kind of cool everything down. And then I was just done. I was like, yo,
Yeah,
I
he was
finished.
fed. He was fed
You
up.
had something on your chest that you got it
I
over.
did it.
That was it. He had a little monkey on his back there.
Yeah.
He
And that was
really
done.
needed to.
And then with her, she's like, we have a niece, and niece was like, Auntie, you know, if you have a camera in here and people see what they're doing whole day, people could be laughing right through. And then like light bulbs went off with her, and then she just decided to just record whenever I'm doing something, or she tried to, just get under my skin.
Who's that niece?
Kamaya, that's my brother's daughter.
Yeah.
She lives with us.
Right. Kamaya?
AKA Dal.
AKA?
Dal.
Dal. Kamaya, aka Dal. Whatever royalties these people make in the future, if you don't receive royalties,
I know.
call me. Call Papa Joe and I'll deal with them, alright? Because she discovered you guys.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
did.
she
She
did,
did. She was getting prepared for SE, and she sits at the head of the table, and she literally looks at us getting on a regular basis. So I was upset actually when I saw her laughing, and then when she said it, I said, "Oh, it's a good idea. It's a really good idea." So here we are.
We didn't know it would have been, so widely appreciated.
Yeah,
This is what goes on in a lot of households.
It's kind of like a kind of skill, because there's so many people that are negative to it as well. They don't like it,
The majority like it.
but majority like it. So
And I do.
for
And
the
let me
few that
say,
don't, well, I'm sorry.
ever since I was introduced to you guys, as I said, what I've seen, I enjoy.
Yeah.
I see myself sometimes in some of your rants.
I pray for you, man. I pray for you, man.
But I'm gonna pray for her now.
I see myself in some of
gonna
your
pray for her
rants. And it really is. I want to say first of all, before you dig in, thanks for sharing your lives, because sharing your lives is not always easy.
Yeah.
And I think, as I said, you all will. I know some of the backlash behind the scenes that we don't know of.
A lot.
But know that it's helping some person. Sometimes you get up in a crappy day and you see, and you put a smile on somebody's face,
lot of
that kind
persons
of
say
thing.
that.
Yeah,
A
yeah.
lot of
so-
people do say that.
Yeah.
It's kind of touching now, and kind of inspires us to do more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
people do reach out and share.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah. Pork. pastel.
I'm gonna
Some
have the
eggs.
pork.
Yeah.
Question
start
is,
with
seeing that,
Dig in, dig in.
seeing that you don't really eat pork, and it's
You
you're
went
hungry.
straight for the pastel.
You sure? I just
You ever
say,
hear about some talk?
all right, brother. You go ahead first. You get it on.
And you know what he want there.
Yeah, he
you know
already-
what he
he
want
already
there.
mark what he wants,
You know what he want
Side.
there. So I depending on you for the pork now. The Macfoods depending on you for the
Look
garlic
at
pork.
Everything going in everything.
No Gil. I
You
smell
asked
this
if I
thing, was like,
wanted some of that mayo in my chow chow. Look what
plenty.
He
I
put mayo in the chow chow.
did?
He put mayo in the chow chow.
Excuse your whole self. Let me see how I'm gonna get this. Let me see how I'm gonna get this. You wanna try it? You sure? Pork is eating, man. I'm gonna try it one time. I'm not even gonna waste any time. Oh,
You can't use knife and fork.
well, this is how you're supposed to use it.
I know, I want to.
But I was literally just in the flow of just getting
The
it.
grandmother never teach you them thing.
And shut up, boy. I'm gonna have to buy this.
Yes. Yes. Good. You're a pork mouth.
Anything that isn't good. Anything that isn't good, I am it.
My kind of lady.
I
My
am
kind
it.
of lady.
Once it's good,
We're coming back, guys, because we just starting. This is about couples. This is about sharing the experience on Christmas Day. We started with Macfoods Garlic Pork. So much more to come. We have Anil and Kineta James in the house. Internet sensation. Go and follow them. Anil, Kineta,
James.
James. Bam.